Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment and selecting your font. Install the font on your device or add it to a font manager so Discord can reference it indirectly. Make sure you picked an OTF or TTF file and verified the license for personal or server use. Once done, restart Discord to let the system register the new font. Make sure to note whether you're altering client appearance or creating images. This affects the next steps. Now you implement the font into messages or server visuals. If you need exact typography, design text in a graphics editor with your installed font, export as PNG or SVG, then upload to Discord. This preserves kerning and weights. If you want consistent headers, use a bot that creates embeds or images from templates. Configure the bot to use your font asset. Alternatively, use Unicode-styled text for quick inline variety, but know that those aren't actual fonts and may render inconsistently. Finish by ensuring delivery and resolving issues. Upload finalized assets to the server or bot, then preview in multiple clients to confirm appearance. If something looks off, clear Discord's cache, sign out and back in, and re-upload the image or reconfigure the bot's font path. Make sure SVGs are exported with embedded fonts or exported as outlines, otherwise the client will substitute fonts. If problems persist, check permissions and asset accessibility so Discord or your bot can fetch the files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.